Hey, this is the Pellet Shop. We're back once again with a new addition from AEA Precision Air Guns. I have in my hands here a HP series HPSS. The SS stands for super short, as you could tell. This comes with a collapsible stock, available in 22, 25, and 30 caliber. The one I have in my hands right now is a 30 caliber, and I mean, this thing is just freaking awesome to shoot. It's in semi-automatic, first of all, max fill pressure 3600 PSI or 250 bar, and it comes with an integrated shroud. I mean, what more could you ask for? Seriously. Once again, this takes a AR style stock, so feel free to swap it out for whatever you want, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's freaking awesome. Let's go take a shot. For more information, feel free to visit us at www.thepelletshop.com or give us a call and we'll set you up.